Chapter 7, Wave Export. Continuing our video tutorial on Wisenet WAVE, this video will show you how to export WAVE video for use as evidence. Now what we can do, it's bookmarked on this particular video, so I can export it using this icon here, or I can right click on the line and say export video. You have options when exporting the video. So I will save that into this folder over here. Actually, I won't. I'm going to save it into my videos folder. It's going to give it a name, and it's going to give it the name of the camera plus the date and time. And I'm going to add to this a brief description of it, crossing the road. And you can choose different file formats. So in this case, the MKV is a very efficient compression method to make the video nice and small in a file. Or we can use AVI, MP4, which aren't as efficient, or a proprietary format, the .NOV, or we can use the executable. And I will show you the MKV as a straight video file. And you'll see that export over there. And I will open it up. There's the demo video in there. And that now plays in my VLC media player, and you'll see the two gentlemen wandering up the road again. We can save it as an EXE, so export the video as an executable, which allows me to protect it with a password. Just browse to the folder that you're going to save the export in. Here I'm going to put it into videos, and I'm going to create a new folder called demo. And give the file a name. I'm going to give it a short description so that I know what's inside the file, but it includes the model name, date, and time, as we did before. And there is the exe export. Now we'll open up that export to prove that it works okay. This is an exe file, so it requires the password, and it doesn't have a standard video format, meaning that only people who have access to the file are able to read it and view it. It opens up a copy of the Wisenet WAVE client, which only plays the exported video. And here is the proof. And the export video is working as the other export video did, but it only runs in a portable WAVE client, which is what this is here. So I'm going to drag some camera feeds into the interface, into the layout, all related to the same road. So we've got multiple views of the same road. And we'll go back to that time, but I won't create a bookmark this time. I'll just mark the video, beginning and end. And I can drag that start and end time to wherever I need to. And once that's done, we right click and say export video. Now we have a multiple video or a multi-video tab. I can make that read only, protected with a password as before. It's also an exe file. Give it a name so that we know what's inside. And this again will run in a portable WAVE client that will show all video feeds at the same time. So this is the export is started. And the export has been completed. And just to prove that it is working correctly, we'll open up that exe file. Portable WAVE client opens. And we need to put in our password. Of course, you don't need to put a password in, but it's helpful for evidence. And there it plays multiple videos, or all of the streams that were selected at the time on the layout will be played through on the export. And that is how you export multiple videos. I hope that you found this video useful. Please find other chapters in this series that you will find equally useful, and have a great day. Thank you. Goodbye.